Hi there, Sanbonani Molweni. Welcome to Fix channel. If you're new here, please subscribe before the end of the video if returning. Thank you for your love and support. I appreciate you. Igumbi Lamakhosikazi qalile episode 1, 2, 3, and 4, but still asimboni uMangwabe. So the big question is, did Mangwabe really leave Musa Mseleku? I will answer that later. As we all know that Mseleku's 4 wives are the host, but only Macele and Mayeni and also Makhomalo appeared in the first, second, third, and fourth episodes of Igumbi Lamakhosikazi. Mangwabe is really not a part of Igumbi Lamakhosikazi talk show, which is aired on SABC 1 or Channel 161, presented by Musa Mseleku's wives. The first, second, third, and fourth episodes aired without her, and this got viewers worried and some thinking she already left Musa Mseleku. Judging by her character on the last episode of Uthando Nesthembu, some viewers assumed she already packed her bags and signing out. She has been called and called, showing Musa Mseleku flames, and Musa kept on complaining about her behavior. So where is Mangwabe? I'm assuming. These are my assumptions, so don't come for me and say give us full story or full details. Mangwabe is a nurse, and I believe she's busy at work. Since COVID-19 came to South Africa, where head nurses are busy trying to fight the virus and the hospitals are full. So I believe she's busy and her schedule is too tight. As for the divorce, I don't have answers. I don't know. We'll just wait for Musa Mseleku to say something or to release a statement. For now, it's just speculations and rumors. Thank you so much for your love and support. I appreciate you. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. If you're a subscriber, thank you. I appreciate you. Bye bye.